Hey there, I am a young innovator named Prajwal and I'm studying in 8th grade at Beaches National Public School, and I have been a part of the T Plus challenge and I'm also selected as one of the finalists for this challenge. I am really grateful for the T Plus challenge for providing me this platform and for providing me this opportunity to help our elders and to also innovate something for them so that it helps them in their everyday lives and solves some of their major problems. And during this COVID crisis, I think nothing could have been better than actually getting the components that we need to build our innovative project as well. Yes, Buybox has sent us all the components required along with the T Plus challenge that were required for building this project, and they also sent us their Buybox Think Kit absolutely free of cost. And I think I cannot be more grateful for anything than this. In this COVID time, it has been really hard going out finding components and be much harder buying them because most of the shops are either closed or there are many other reasons too. But Buybox and T Plus together have solved this problem for us. They have got the components delivered at our doorstep free of cost so that we don't have to worry about anything but just solving the problem that we have initiated to. And I am really grateful for this opportunity, for this platform, and for all the resources that have been provided by Buybox and the T Plus challenge together. Now let's see an unboxing video of this entire package that I received, that is the Buybox Think Kit, and I'll also be explaining the individual parts of them too. This is the package that I received from the Buybox Turn Think Kit, and this is the entire package and how it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this without any further ado or delay. So here, just by opening it, actually every time just fills my heart with joy. There's these cool instructions that you can see here, which is really helpful for me, especially as a beginner. And here, very prestigiously, you can see the Buybox Turn, the main microcontroller, and it comes pre-assembled with a factory program. And then there's one more very unique and innovative feature that I love the most. That is these trays. These trays are just filled with heart-filling components, and also if you open up one of them, both of them open, which just like magic for me. And it has so many components to choose from, and I think there are just so many endless endeavors that we can make through this particular Think Kit. A lot of our elders have a major problem in maintaining their hygiene, and especially during having bath, because they are very weak compared to us, and they are also not so interested in doing just because they get tired by this process. This looked like a major problem to me, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic and this crisis that had to be solved, and hence I came up with a solution called the automatic scrubbing brush, or also known as the electric bathing brush. Through this brush, the elderly will be easily able to maintain their hygiene, clean themselves without a lot of their energy, thanks to the stored electrical energy that will be used or that will be utilized rather than their own muscular energy that would have been used in the previous times. This device will be completely rechargeable. The complete product shall also be completely waterproof and also shall also meet the quality standards that the elderly would like to use. I aim to also make this easy to use since it is for the elderly and do not have a lot of hands-on with technology. This is one of the most recent projects that I have built using the Buybox Turn and the Buybox Turn Complete Think Kit. And this is one of the stepping stones to accomplishing what I want to do with my project, the automatic scrubbing brush or the electric bathing brush. So before saying anything more, I would like to show you the project itself. So first, I'll be turning on the microcontroller, that is the Buybox Turn. It shows a Buybox Turn logo, welcome, and yeah, here it is. So currently, as you can see, the LED is off and I have a potentiometer with me which acts as a dial dial, and then I'll also be turning on the motors at the same time. Okay, before that, let me show you the LEDs. So if I turn the potentiometer a bit, you can see the LEDs dim. I'm not sure how visible it is in camera, but it's kind of dim. And if I turn the potentiometer more, then the LED becomes brighter. Now let's turn on the motors and see how this works. So for this prototype, I didn't want to use another separate motor, and for this current purpose, I'm just using the inbuilt the DC geared motor, the small geared motor. So to turn on the motors, there's the small switch on the buy box turn. So I'll be turning that on, and this is the motor that I've programmed for. So as you can see, it is spinning and the LED is off. Now if the LED is dim and I turn the potentiometer a bit, you can see the motor starts spinning a little faster. Now if I turn the potentiometer a lot more, then the LED becomes much more brighter and the motor starts spinning faster. As you can see, it's spinning the opposite direction and the LED is much more brighter now. So these are the three modes that I have programmed in the BuyBox Turn using the BuySoft app, and this is one of our major accomplishments in the journey of making my project, that is the automatic scrubbing brush.